name is Steven.
Steven, nice to meet you. Can you introduce your company to me, please?
Yes, we are the manufacturers and professional to focus on the dot-com machines. More than 22 years.
Wow, 22 years now. So what's the name of this company?
No, we are factory.
A factory. Oh, okay. So this factory.
We are definitely manufacturers. As I told you that 22 production experience.
Okay, and you produce many different machines. I see machines like claw doll machines. You said.
Yes, that's our focus point. The dot-com machine actually is very funny and very attractive for any children.
Yeah, it's very much like you can see it in arcades, just at your home now.
So yeah, the most important point that it's very safe.
Yes, but I heard that your new version that you made a big improvement on this design. You have a metal claw.
Yeah. That's what this one. Because this core hand actually is most of children will play it more than 100 pieces, 100 times.
Yeah.
Maybe just 1,000 times. It's very easy to broken. But we take the place of this one, which use the metal cores.
Yeah.
So I believe that this one can use more than 10,000 times.
So like it just lives on for a long
Yes,
time.
the quality will be much more better.
Yeah.
Beautiful, and also very, very easy to use. And the cord of power is much more great, and also it's very easy to grab this doll and the ball. You can.
I know you have another product to show as well.
Yes, we have a lot of card games here, and also this is the table game.
Yes.
Actually, it's not have any problem about the safe, and the people and the children can play with the parents.
Yes.
And for this one, we have a lot of functions. And this one, we can change the direction. And also, we change the mode. You can move it forward, speed up. Speed up. And also, you can stop the car and change the direction.
Drift.
Yeah, drift. You can say drift.
And so I know a lot of people will be very interested in these products, and I certainly am. So where could we contact you and find more information on these products?
Here we got the website and the email, and also we have the online catalogs. You are free to contact us at any time. That will be our pleasure to serve you